Meet Hungry Artisan's Food Mill and Canning Kit, indispensable allies for culinary enthusiasts. Picture yourself creating a delectable marinara sauce at home using the complimentary recipe ebook full of authentic recipes. Effortlessly set up your food mill by placing the desired milling disc in the base and securely hooking the milling handle into place. In a large saucepan or pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add in all the ingredients and season to your personal taste. Stir, allowing the ingredients to combine for a delicious harmony of flavors. Reduce the heat and let the sauce simmer until it reaches a richness that will tantalize your taste buds. Transfer the cooked ingredients into the food mill and witness its enchanting powers. Watch how it transforms your tomatoes into a velvety smooth tomato sauce, bidding farewell to any unwanted lumps, seeds, and skins. To preserve your culinary masterpiece for special occasions, it all boils down to our canning kit, complete with a funnel, tongs, and lifters to aid sterilization. Delicately pour your sauce into a jar, secure the lid with care, and employ our ingenious jar wrench to create an airtight seal. Use the included labels to name your homemade sauces and add a personal touch to your culinary creation. Unlock a world of rich, restaurant-quality taste in the heart of your home with the Hungry Artisan Food Mill and Canning Kit.